How to set up Google Search Console for your website. So if you want to go ahead and do this, you can start by signing in with whichever Google account you want and then click just add property. That's going to lead you to something like this, and then you're going to have to select a property type. So you're going to either choose from your domain or a URL prefix. So those are the two options you'll have. If you do domain, it will cover your entire domain, including subdomains. But if you choose the URL prefix, then a specific version of your site only. So you're gonna have to choose one, and let's say you're going with the URL prefix. You're gonna have to verify your ownership. So it's going to be like so. Recommended verification method. So you could download the file right here, and then you can upload it to the website to stay verified. If you want to learn more about how to do it more specifically, there's going to be full details on whichever option you chose to verify yourself. And if you want other verification methods, you could always go down, choose either HTML tag, so it will add a meta tag to your site's homepage, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, or your domain name provider. So once you have done whichever option you have for your website, and it pretty much depends on what kind of website you have, there's going to be a different process. In our case, we just went with the HTML tag since it is somewhat easier. We're just going to go ahead and press on go to property, but that should technically just be it. After the setup, you could submit your sitemap to help Google crawl to your site more efficiently. You could go to the sitemap section and then enter your sitemap URL, which is usually something that has your domain as the URL, and then just go ahead and click on submit on the different options. So you can now monitor performance on your website, indexing status, or any kind of error affecting your site. And over time, the Search Console will show you data like clicks, impressions, or even keyword rankings that will help you improve your SEO and fix issues quickly. But that is pretty much the general idea on how you can set your Google Search Console for website. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.